Hi guys, this is Alex from BlackboxMyCar. Thinkware has impressed us once again with their new flagship, the F800 Pro. It is truly a top contender if you're in the market for a 2-channel dashcam that's loaded with features and quality that you can trust. Design. The F800 Pro features a sleek black finish with a stylish yet discreet design. The LED notification light can be disabled in the settings, and it has well-placed buttons for ease of use. Weighing in at just 104 grams, the F800 Pro seems lighter than it appears, but it is still a hefty package on the inside. Specs. With the brand new Umbrella 812 processor, the F800 Pro is capable of running any tasks such as parking mode, time-lapse recording, memory card partitioning, and full HD front and rear recording. Featuring dual CMOS Sony StarViz sensors on the front and back, you can rest assured that you will capture everything in front of you, whether it's day or night. With a 140-degree wide lens angle, you're able to capture a lot more of what's in front of you, and also what's behind you as well. The F800 Pro supports memory card sizes of up to 128GB for ample recording storage. And of course, it has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for use with the Thinkware Viewer app. Features. Parking mode. The Thinkware F800 Pro features 3 different settings for parking mode recording: motion detection, time-lapse, and energy-saving parking mode. Each of these works extremely well depending on the situation, but we'll go over that in a more in-depth video linked below. Cloud features. Geofencing allows the F800 Pro to send you push notifications via the mobile app Thinkware Cloud. This is great for keeping track of your card if you let your kids take it to the mall, if you let your parents borrow it for the day, or if you simply lend it to somebody you know. Whether the case, this feature works by setting a designated home zone. The notifications begin pushing once the vehicle leaves the area, and the radius can be set by typing the address or using the pin to set a location on the Thinkware Cloud app with a radius size of 100 meter up to 600 kilometer. Locate My Vehicle is another related function which allows the F800 Pro to update the current location every 10 seconds. Connecting this to Find Your Car is advantageous as it helps the dashcam track the last known location of the vehicle. Driving impact notification activates when an impact over 3G or 4G occurs to the car while driving. A push notification is sent to the user's smartphone via Thinkware Cloud. ADAS system. The F800 Pro includes a full ADAS feature set with functionalities such as driving impact notification, safety camera alert, and as well as road safety features like lane departure warning system, forward collision warning system, urban forward collision warning system, and front vehicle departure warning system. Safety camera alert warns the driver of red lights and traffic cameras by using the internal GPS for accurate location tracking.
Red light camera in 100 meters.
Road safety warning systems, like lane departure warning system, alerts the driver if a vehicle goes slightly off the lane in a speed over 50 kilometers an hour. Forward collision warning system calculates the distance of the vehicle in the front of you and will issue a warning when you're approaching the vehicle in front too closely at speeds over 30 kilometers per hour. Urban forward collision warning system activates while going under 30 kilometers per hour in busy areas and issues a 3-level warning to the driver. Front vehicle departure warning will inform you when the vehicle in front has begun moving when your vehicle is stopped at an intersection or in traffic. 4 autonomous recording modes. The F800 Pro features 4 autonomous recording modes: continuous recording, incident recording, manual recording, and energy saving mode. Continuous mode is activated after igniting the engine, and videos are saved in 1-minute segments. Incident recording stores the video data 10 seconds prior to and after a collision once registered by 3G sensor. Manual recording can be used to capture events that occur suddenly in front of your vehicle. Last but not least, energy saving mode, where the dashcam goes to sleep and will wake up within a second and record when impact is detected by the G sensor. High temperature protection system. Thinkware takes great care of its tech, so we also see an inclusion of their high temperature protection system. The thermal sensor of the F800 Pro shuts the device off automatically when operating at unsafe temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit. Video quality. The video quality on the F800 Pro performs well in the day and at night. With wide dynamic range and auto exposure compensation, flares and bright lights are a problem of the past, even in the dimmest of areas. Enabling Super Night Vision 2.0 paired with Sony Starvis sensors guarantee you will capture everything ahead and behind you. Super Night Vision 2.0 improves upon version 1 by allowing it to be enabled in all recording modes. This provides you with clearer video quality even in extreme low light conditions with excellent noise control. Advanced Video Clear Technology. This feature includes software-based processing with features such as wide dynamic range, which reduces excessively bright spots in the recording in order to retain color detail and ensuring a color image. Nighttime picture quality correction, which has brightness, color control, and noise cancellation running at all times. Automatic exposure works in conjunction with wide dynamic range. This function controls the level of light exposure to maintain vivid and clear video across all the recordings. Wi-Fi app. The Wi-Fi app allows you to access various settings for your dashcam, such as video, parking mode recording, memory card partitioning, firmware updates, as well as recording sensitivity options. Check out the Wi-Fi app walkthrough for more information. Verdict and recap. The Thinkware F800 Pro comes with some new features and great cloud functionality when paired with the Thinkware Dashcam mobile viewer. With an Ambarella 812 processor and dual Sony Starvis CMOS sensors for excellent quality in the day or night, video quality is guaranteed to perform in all aspects. We believe the Thinkware F800 Pro is the choice dashcam for those looking for a 2-channel system that is loaded with features and quality you can believe in.